It's Monday, September 8th. In the headlines, 60 buses deployed in the National Rural School Bus Program to improve student transportation. And the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency confirms cyber incident. Some services have been temporarily disrupted. In business news, Jamaican small businesses still lag in data protection and cybersecurity measures. Regionally, Guyana's President Dr. Irfan Ali is sworn in for a second term in office. And in sports, Reggae Boys prepare to face Trinidad and Tobago at the National Stadium on Tuesday. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.